In this video, we will discuss few important and repeated questions from the topic averages. First one, on mixing two classes A and B of students having average marks 50 and 80 respectively. So here there are two classes A and B. The average of class A students is 50 and the average of class B students is 80. This is the average. Okay, and the average marks obtained is 60. So the combined average of both the classes is 60. We have to find the respective ratio of the students in the classes A and B. So here we are taking average of class A, it is 50, and average of class B, it is 80. And in the middle, we will take the combined average, it is 60. And now we will find the difference here, 80 minus 60. We will find the difference in a diagonal way. It is 80 minus 60 is 20, and here 60 minus 50, it is 10. Okay, so these are the number of students. Number of students in section A is 20 and the number of students in section B is 10. Okay, although this is not the correct number, but from this we can find the ratio. Okay, so the ratio of number of students in class A is to class B is equal to 2:1. This is the answer. Third option. Or we can do this in another method also. We will assume the number of students in class A is A and we will assume the number of students in class B is B. Okay. And the average in class A is 50 and the average in class B is 80. So what is the total marks in class A? It is 50A. And what are the marks in class B? It is 80B. Okay. We will find the total marks of class A and class B. It is 50A plus 80B. Okay. And what is given here? The average of class A and B is 60. So here we will take average into what are the total number of students in A and B? It is A plus B. So we will equate these to 50A plus 80B is equal to 60 into A plus B. Here if you solve, you will get 20B is equal to 10A. So here A by B is equal to 20 by 10. It is 2:1. A to B ratio is 2:1. It is third option. Next question. The average weight of 10 workers traveling in a boat is increased by 2.8 kgs when one of the workers who weighs 58 kg is replaced by a new worker. Find the weight of the new worker. Okay. See here 10 workers were traveling in a boat. Okay. There are 10 workers. They are traveling in a boat. Okay. And the average weight is increased by 2.8. Okay. We don't know the initial average, but it is increased by 2.8. Okay. When a person who weighs 58 kg, okay, a person who weighs 58 kg is replaced. This 58 kg person has gone and another person has joined. Okay. So when this person has been replaced by a new worker, then the average weight increased by 2.8 kgs. We have to find the weight of the new worker. What is the weight of the new worker here? So when the new worker is joined, the average weight increased by 2.8 kgs. Okay, and how many people were there? 10 people. Okay, so when this new person came, he gave 2.8 to each of these 10 people. He gave 2.8 to each of these 10 people. So in total, how much he gave? In total, he gave 2.8 into number of workers, it is 10. So he gave 28 kgs. He gave 28 kgs to the 10 workers here. Okay. So the weight of new worker is, we will take 58 as the average weight of all the workers here. So 58 is the average plus he gave 28 kgs to all the 10 workers plus 28. Okay, this is the weight of the new worker. The answer is 86. Or we can do this in another method also. First, we will assume the average weight of 10 workers is W. The average weight of 10 workers is W. So, what is the total weight of the 10 workers? It is 10W. So, a person who weighs 58 kg left the group. So, we will subtract 58 kg and a new worker. And we will assume the weight of the new worker is X and he joined the group. Okay, this is the total weight of the new group. So this is equal to the initial average is W and the new average will be W plus 2.8 and the number of workers are 10. Okay, if we simplify this, we'll get answer 10W minus 58 plus X is equal to 10W plus 28. So here 10W and 10W will be cancelled. X is equal to 28 plus 58. It is 86. First option. Next question. The average weight of truck and 4 cars is 48 kgs. If the average weight is 48 kgs, what is the total weight? Total weight is equal to 48 into 5. This includes weight of truck and 4 cars. Okay, so 48 into 5 is what? It is 240. Okay, and the average is reduced by 1 kg if the weight of the truck is excluded. Then we have to find the weight of the truck. We will assume the weight of truck is equal to T. So if the truck is excluded, what is the total weight here? It is 240 minus T. This is the total weight and the average is reduced by 1 kg. The average will be 47. 47 into 4. Okay, there are 4 cars remaining. It is 47 into 4 is what? 7 into 4, 28. It is 188. So here weight of the truck is equal to 240 minus 188. It is 52. Okay, so the weight of the truck is equal to 52 kgs. Or we can do this in another method also. See here there are 4 cars and 1 truck. Okay, 4 cars and 1 truck. We will assume the weight of truck is T. Okay, and the average weight is 48 kgs. Okay, 48 kgs. So every car and truck we will assume as 48 kgs. And the average is reduced by 1 kg if the weight of the truck is excluded. So when the truck exits the group, then the average weight is reduced by 1 kg. So 48 becomes 47 here. 48 becomes 47. So when the truck is leaving the group, it has taken 1 kg from all the 4 cars. It has taken 1 kg from all the 4 cars. So it has taken 4 into 1, 4 kgs in total. Okay. So the weight of truck is 48 plus 4. It is 52 kgs. Okay. It is second option. Next question. Rahul travels a certain distance at a speed of 4 km per hour and returns at a speed of 3 km per hour via the same route. What was his average speed for the entire journey? See here he travels the same distance. Okay, he travels the same distance with different speeds. In the first one he travels with 4 km per hour and in the second one he travels with 3 km per hour. Okay, if the distance is same, we can apply the formula here. It is 2AB divided by A plus B. See here, A is equal to 4 km per hour and B is equal to 3 km per hour. If we apply the formula, we'll get 2 into 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3. It is 24 divided by 7. It is 3.43 km per hour, first option. Next one. What is the average of first 10 multiples of 3? What are the multiples of 3? The numbers that have 3 as a factor, those are multiples of 3. Like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, those all. Okay. And here there are 10 numbers. Okay. So if we take 3 common here, we'll get 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 because there are 10 numbers. And we have to find the average of this first 10 multiples of 3. Okay. And how do we find the average of these numbers? Here the numbers are consecutive. That means the difference between first and second number is equal to difference between second and third number. So these are consecutive numbers. So the average will be, so in this case the average will be first number plus last number divided by 2. Okay. So the average will be first number is 1 and the last number is 10. 1 plus 10 divided by 2. It is 11 by 2. It is 5.5. But it is multiplied with 3 here. Okay. Because these are multiples of 3. And the final average will be what? 3 into 5.5. It is 16.5. Okay. The answer is 16.5. Or we can directly find the average like this. Okay, the numbers are 3, 6, 9, 12 and the last number is 30. So here the difference between first and second number is same as the difference between second and third number. It is 3. Okay, the difference is 3 because these are 3 multiples. In this case, the average formula will be same. Average is equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. First number is 3 and the last number is 30. Okay, 3 plus 30 divided by 2. It is 33 divided by 2. It is 16.5. Okay, see this formula is applicable to all the multiples like 2 multiples, 3 multiples, 4 multiples, 5 multiples. Okay, so this is the formula we used here. Average is equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. Next question. The average income of 74 persons is 5200 and that of a manager is 6000. Then the average income of the whole group is what? See here, the average income of 74 persons is 5200. So what is the total income of the 74 persons? It is 74 into 5200. Okay. And if the manager income is included, what is the total average? Total average of 75% is what? This is including manager. It is 74 into 5200 plus 6000. Okay, this is the total income of 75%. If we have to find the average income, we have to divide this total by 75. Okay, we will get the average income. Or we can do this by using the shortcut method also. See here, we will assume the income of every person is 5200. Okay, the income of every person is 5200. And how many persons are there? There are 74. Okay, and if the income of manager is added, what is the income of manager? It is 6000. So 6000 is how much more than the average? 6000 is 800 more than the average, right? 6000 is 800 more than the average. See, this 800 will be equally distributed among this 75 people, okay, including manager. So we will assume the manager also got 5200, okay, and he gave 800 extra, and this 800 will be equally divided among 75 people. So the new average will be what? It is 5200 plus 800 and this is divided among 75 people. Okay, it is 5200 plus 8 into 100 divided by 75. It is 25 into 3, 25 into 4. 8 into 4, 32 and 3 into 10.66. So the new average is 5210.66. It is first option. Next one. A batsman in his 13th innings makes a score of 85 runs and thereby increases his average by 5 runs. What is his average after 13th innings? We don't know the average before 12th innings. Okay, so we will assume the average before 12th innings is X. So what is the total score till 12th innings? It is 12 into X, 12X. Okay, so after 13th innings, what is the total score? Total score of 13 innings is score of 12 innings. It is 12X plus. And in 13th innings, he got 85 runs plus 85. This is the total score of 13 innings. And after the 13th innings, the average is increased by 5 runs. Okay, so the average. So the new average is increased by 5 runs. So it is X plus 5. This is the new average. So what is the total here? Total of 13 innings. It is 13 into X plus 5. So we will equate these two. We will get 12X plus 85 is equal to 13X plus 65. So here X is equal to 20. Here X is the initial average till 12th innings. Okay, we have to find the average after 13th innings. See, this is the new average. It is X plus 5. It is 25. 25 is the new average. Second option. We can do this in another method also. We don't know the score till 12th innings. Okay, we don't know the score till 12th innings. And in 13th innings, he got 85. Okay, he got 85 and this increases his average by 5 runs. Okay, we don't know what is the initial average, but after scoring 85, this is increased by 5. Okay, each of these 12 innings increased by 5. So he gave how many? He gave 5 to each of these 12 scores. So he gave 5 runs to each of these 12 scores. So he gave in total 12 into 5. So he gave in total 60 runs. So when he gave 60, the remaining is 25. Okay. See here, the remaining 25 is the new average. Okay. 25 is the new average after 13th innings. This is the answer, 25. Second option.